Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It is Wednesday. And this is an important day because this is technically, it is the last day of the culinary expedition. Last night was a culinary expedition evening, and today is the final day for the culinary expedition. Last night, I prepared a dish from the Maldives, Ria, a chicken dish, kind of slow simmered in some herbs and spices to include curry leaves. It was good. Repeat? No. The recipe is up on the website if you'd like to try it. I served it with brown rice. I have a foolproof way of preparing brown rice in the oven. It works every time. You can find that recipe as well on the website. Now to the grand finale. Today we're going to Montenegro, where I'll be preparing Škampi na buzaru. Basically, it's a shrimp scampi, but the style of Montenegro. Looks like a fun dish. Lots of shrimp, lots of butter, lots of wine. Yeah, good old shrimp scampi. So today is the last day of the week for me. I'm headed up with Robin. We're headed up to South Lake Tahoe. Robin's got a retreat up there. And I'll be doing some photo safaris on the Tahoe Rim Trail. So yesterday I spent a good portion of my day working on packing camera gear. I carry more camera gear up to the mountain than I am clothes. I'll just put it that way. Yeah, it's just the way I roll. Found out today. No, I'm not gonna go there. Not yet. I need some more information. Yeah, I've done a little something, and I just found out when it's going to. Nope, I'm not gonna go any farther with that. So on this Wednesday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.